everyone. Welcome. I'm Sarah Ashuri, the president of Kaweah Health Foundation, and I'm delighted to be here with you this afternoon for the dedication of the Reflection Garden. What a beautiful monument, isn't it? It's gorgeous. What a remarkable addition to downtown Visalia and to our Kaweah Health campus. Before we begin our brief program, I'd like to request all the foundation board members in attendance to please stand and wave. Where's my board members? Yay. Now I invite the hospice board members to stand and wave. Also our hospital board members. Thank you for your unwavering commitment and the countless hours you devote to our health care in our community. At this time, it's my pleasure to introduce Gary Herbst, CEO of Kaweah Health, who will provide us with some insight into the origins of the Reflection Gardens.
All right. Thank you, Sarah. So thank you all for coming out today and joining us as we celebrate the dedication of this beautiful Reflection Garden and the monument. As Sarah said, I'm Gary Herbst. I'm the Chief Executive Officer here at Kaweah Health. So this Reflection Garden and the monument was created to help us honor the countless lives that have been touched by our caregivers over Kaweah Health's 60-year history. But today we get to recognize and thank all the people who played a pivotal role in bringing this from a vision and to reality. So in 2022, some Kaweah Health nurses approached our marketing department and asked them if they would help create a place of solace and reflection that our caregivers could just find some quiet time during their very, very busy and often very, very stressful days. So the Kaweah Health Marketing and Media Relations Department kind of brainstormed some ideas and arrived at the idea of an eternal flame, which you can see at the top of the monument. And our senior graphic designer, Greg Bitney, got to work. Greg's always up for a challenge. And so he created all of the different elements of this Reflection Garden and the monument, including the design of the monument, the landscaping that you see, the seating, and the beautiful and touching poem that is inscribed on the side of the monument. That poem was created by Greg. Many others worked behind the scenes to keep the project moving forward, including our medical and surgical director, Emma Mosier, who will be speaking here in a few moments. Our hospital foundation director, Liz Wynn. Where'd Liz go? Oh, way over there. Thank you, Liz. And our director of maintenance and facilities, Kevin Morrison. So thanks to the three of them for helping make this happen. And then Carolina Newgard translated the poem into Spanish. So you see on the north side of the monument, the poem is inscribed in English, and on the south side of the monument in Spanish. Generous individuals like the Shannon family, and wonderful to have Eric Shannon here today. Through Eric and his family's generosity and companies like Cal Water and MSI Inc., they provided the financial wherewithal to make this vision again become a reality. Karen Cocaine and Mark Mertz provided leadership and guidance throughout the design and development of the project. So this Reflection Garden and the monument is intended to serve as a beacon of hope, a source of inspiration, and a testament to the enduring spirit of compassion that defines our organization. So again, I'd like to thank you all for coming out on this early summer day, although it feels like spring today. Fortunately, we're holding it today and not a few days ago when it was a heck of a lot warmer. But we're all here today really to express our deepest appreciation and gratitude for the vision that our nurses had to create something like this, and then all the people that came together to actually make it happen. So thank you all for being here and participating in today's dedication. Now my pleasure to welcome Emma to the stand.
Hello. Truly is my privilege to be here with you today. My name is Emma Mosher. I'm the Director of Medical Surgical Services. So picture yourself in a hospital room, facing a pivotal moment in your life without your family or support system by your side. Maybe you received tough news, welcomed a new life, went through a life-changing surgery, or heard a positive medical update. In those moments, it's only the hospital staff and doctors physically with you, offering support and sharing in your emotions. During the COVID pandemic, this was the reality for our caregivers, patients, and their loved ones. Our teams all worked through finding ways to process and continue forward during this extremely challenging time. The staff members on 2 South shared an idea of creating a physical remembrance. They wanted to find a way to honor the memories of those they cared for and the impact these patients made on their lives. At the time, 2 South was converted to our primary med-surg respiratory isolation unit, caring mostly for COVID patients. Some of the staff are here today, as well as many others that worked through this extremely difficult time as a hospital and nation. Today, we gather together to celebrate and honor our healthcare team, along with all of those that share their journey with us, whether it be a stranger or someone dear to us. The interactions we have as healthcare workers aren't just part of our job. They stay with us, lingering in our memories or come up during an unexpected encounter at the grocery store. The pandemic was a point in history, but for healthcare workers, this is our way of life. This garden is hoped to be a place of reflection, a tribute to the sacrifices made and the moments we're celebrating for us as caregivers and the community. Thank you again to our executive team, marketing department, and community donors for allowing us to take this vision and make it a reality. And finally, thank you to all of our Kaweah Health staff and doctors for choosing this profession and giving of yourself so our patients and their loved ones are able to find support in their time of need. Thank you again for being here.
Thank you, Emma. I'm Liz Wynn. I'm the director of the Kaweah Foundation. And as you look around at the pavers, read some of the inscriptions. They really are heartfelt and just a joy. And as you can see, I wouldn't be a true foundation director if I didn't point out the empty spots. They're just waiting for the rest of you. But I just really thank you for coming today. Thank you for all your support. And we hope to see you soon.